In today's video, I will walk you through how to create an API key on ElevenLabs. Once you're on your ElevenLabs dashboard, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click Developers. From the Developer section, switch to the API Keys tab. Here, you'll see any API keys that have already been created. To create a new one, locate the Create Key button and click it. You'll then begin setting up your new API key. The first thing you need to do is give the key a name. Enter a descriptive name that helps you identify what the key is intended for. After entering the name, review the option to restrict the key. If you want to restrict the key, enable that option and configure the available restrictions. Next, review the option to apply a credit limit to the API key. If you want to set a credit limit, enter the limit you want to apply to the key. After that, select the specific features you want the API key to access. Review the available permissions and select the features required for the key. Once you've entered the name, configured any restrictions or credit limit, and selected the required features, review your settings. When everything is configured, click Create Key. ElevenLabs will then generate your new API key. After the key is generated, it will appear on the screen. From there, you can copy the API key to your clipboard. That completes the process for creating an API key on ElevenLabs. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching.